Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, I want to talk to you about what's coming up in 2023. I'm going to be making some changes on this channel. I'm going to be trying a couple of new things, going to be still doing some old things, maybe do some old things in a new way, and there's going to be a lot of stuff going on in between. So here's some things that you can expect for the year to come, as well as other projects that I'm working on. First off, I'm going to be doing sword reviews. As you've seen throughout the last 2 years, I've been doing collaborations with LK Chen, and they've been sending me some swords to review, so you can expect to see sword reviews, cut testing, as well as forms demonstrations with the swords in action. And I'm going to be focusing a lot more on later dynasties, so you may still see something from the Han Dynasty, but we're going to be looking at Tang, Sui, Ming, and Song Dynasty swords. So that's something to look forward to. As for some familiar series, I am going to continue doing Kung Fu Combo, although a little bit after the beginning of this year, I am going to change the format of Kung Fu Combo, and I think it's a great way to do it as the platform of YouTube evolves and changes. So that's something to look forward to as well. Another thing that I'm going to be doing and kind of continuing or revisiting is the Choi Li Fut footwork plus and I have a couple of fun things that we're going to do. So we'll be focusing on a weapon, we'll be focusing on an animal, and we'll be focusing on our feet again, but in a really cool way. From time to time, I'll be posting some AMAs, some vlog topics, and also some updates from my website to books coming out to other things like that. So you can look forward to those as well. If you're looking for even more content, you can hop over to my Tai Chi channel where I have Tai Chi exclusive forms demonstrations, lessons and combinations, weapons focus on Tai Chi sword, fan, spear, other weapons too, and I'm going to be doing equipment reviews specific to Tai Chi this year. So check that channel out. I'll leave a link up above. And if you want to see even more exclusive content and more in-depth lessons, check out my Patreon. I have a lot going on Patreon, and it's going to be the most consistent of all of the platforms where there are specifically weekly videos that are posted that you don't see anywhere else. And these videos range from Tai Chi workouts, Kung Fu workouts, applications for both Tai Chi and Kung Fu, weapons focus, board breaking this year, and lots of other things. So I highly encourage you to check that out, and you can get a weekly in-depth lesson from me, specifically on Patreon. Now, outside of all of that, I do hope to do some traveling this year and hopefully some seminars. I actually got to get out a little bit last year and teach in the UK and even on the other side of Switzerland, and I'm hoping for more of that. So as that all happens, you'll see it. I'll be posting on the community area, and you can also follow me on Instagram to get a little bit faster updates on these things. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and be sure to check out my Tai Chi channel, check out my Patreon, and thank you so much for being a part of this channel here. 2023 is definitely going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. Otherwise, have a great year. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.